Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to bring you an incredible deal on Pictory, the AI-powered video editing tool that's changing the game for content creators. If you've been looking for a way to make professional videos quickly and effortlessly, this is your chance. With my exclusive offer, you'll get 20% off for life on any Pictory subscription. Yes, you heard that right. Lifetime savings. Here's how you can grab this deal. First, click the link in the description to head over to Pictory's website. If you're new to Pictory, click on Get Started to create your account. It's super quick and easy. Plus, you'll enjoy a 14-day free trial to explore all the amazing features. Once you've explored and are ready to upgrade, just head to your dashboard and click the Upgrade button. Pictory offers several plans, but I personally recommend the professional plan for the best balance of features and value. That said, all their plans are excellent, so pick the one that suits you best. Now here's the magic part. At checkout, enter the coupon code AMIN in the promo code section. Hit apply, and just like that, you'll see your 20% lifetime discount applied instantly. This is the perfect opportunity to save big and access Pictory's powerful editing tools. Whether you're creating videos for your business, social media, or personal projects, Pictory has everything you need to make stunning videos effortlessly. So don't wait. Click the link below, use the code AMIN, and start creating like a pro today. Happy editing!